signal was a test of NOAA weather radio stations WXK-46. While WNG-732 broadcasts from Cross Mountain during potentially dangerous
Oh my God.
the signal to activate weather radios in the threatened area. These radios may be
What a time!
such as the weather radio alerting system is tested weekly.
What a time!
If there is an ongoing
Oh God.
good weather day, the reception of this broadcast can be degraded for one or more of the following reasons. Your radio is located 30 or more miles from the broadcast and therefore the signal is partially blocked by hills or buildings. If your radio is not reacting to this test, or the voice on a radio is not clear, you can try relocating the radio to another room. You need to ensure your weather radio gets a good signal so it will activate during threatening weather events. The weather radio broadcast from WXK-46 services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Blunt, Campbell, Claiborne, Cox, Green,
Okay then.
Jefferson, Knox, Loudon, Monroe,
You did it.
Rome, Scott, Sevier, and Union. The WNG-732 weather radio broadcast services the following Tennessee counties: Anderson, Campbell,